Hi friends, welcome back in our another video. Today in this video we will know about a mind-blowing hack. Friends, if you want to block all these cookies pop up, then this video is only for you. Today in this video we will know how to block these cookies pop-ups. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. For blocking these cookies pop-up, we have to add an extension in our Chrome browser. So for adding extension, click on these three dots in the topmost corner, click on extensions, click on visit Chrome Web Store. Here search I don't care about cookies. Here click on this one, click add to Chrome, click on add extension. Now let's check is it working or not. I'm coming back on that side. Now let's check it will remove this cookies pop-up or not. I will refresh the page and boom guys, you can see the pop-up is now removed. Now you will not see these pop-ups on any site you will visit. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. I have created a playlist on Google Chrome extensions and VS Code extensions also. Please check out our playlist, they might be helpful for you. Thank you guys.